This is our tankless water heater. This is our thermostat. I do not see a care and use manual. I thought I did. I saw a care and use manual for one of these things, and one of them doesn't have it. So the condensing unit, the indoor air handler doesn't have it. Maybe they both have it. Maybe I'm just not looking good enough. Anything else up there? Nope, just the water heater care and use manual. It's good that we got one. So we come down here, pan everything I like, okay, except that this drain pressure relief valve is supposed to have an air gap in the same room as the water heater, and it doesn't. We're missing our insulation up here. It's all falling down. They could have run this straight down into this, and you would have had your air gap. This is your condensate, because it's high efficiency, and so your condensate piping here. Okay, that's where your acid goes down into the drain, and we do not have a neutralizing filter for that. So we do not have a neutralizing filter. This does not discharge into an open air area, and this primary drain line discharges to a spot that's higher than 6 inches from the ground.